Okay, let's start by clean underscore df, that is let's say dot group by that is a method. We are grouping them by group. By group. I'll just add wrong somewhere. And we want to know how many groups are there. So you can say dot count. This count is also a method, we call it like that. Yes, we can no. This is not supposed to be underscore. Sorry for that. It should be clean df underscore df dot group by group, then you call this. So as usual, we shift and enter, and you can see we have group here, and we have business, and then grade major is in 12 here as 22, and STEM is lowest. So that's how we go about it. But you may ask about, what if you want to know the mean, how much someone gets? Let's see next in the next short.